Introducing the MoveMobility P3. Built on the Ram Promaster 136-inch wheelbase low roof model, the P3 is only slightly larger than a traditional minivan on the outside, yet it offers more usable space than you could possibly achieve inside a minivan. With no lowered floor or heavy modifications, the patent-pending P-Series conversion features impressive flexibility that accommodates a combination of wheelchairs and ambulatory passengers. Complete with its transit-grade powered ramp, bus-style doors, auto-floor flexible floor system, and removable seating, the P3 is the solution for your community or organization's accessible van needs. Drivers operate the ramp and doors from dash-mounted controls without leaving their seat or by using convenient exterior switches. The side entry configuration gives you direct access to curbs, making it easy for passengers to enter and exit quickly, safely, and independently. With no steps to navigate, riders enjoy a barrier-free experience. One entryway for all passengers means that wheelchair users no longer experience feelings of isolation that come with using a separate entrance from other riders. MoveMobility's AutoFloor flexible floor system lets you change seating and wheelchair layouts in minutes. Wipe-clean seats are removable and can be set up in an unlimited number of configurations, giving you full flexibility to best serve your riders. Designed with safety and aesthetics in mind, our self-tensioning wheelchair restraint systems make it easy to secure mobility passengers quickly and safely. Amenities like easy access steps and rear heat and air conditioning make the ride a comfortable experience for all passengers in any climate. If your organization needs an efficient, reliable alternative to the traditional low-floor minivan, contact MoveMobility today to discuss whether the P3 is a fit for your organization's accessible van needs.